exploring the concept of Black unity. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase in English, Black unity. This phrase is not just about words. It's about history, culture, and community. So, let's dive into what Black unity means and why it's significant. Black unity refers to the solidarity and togetherness among Black people. It's about supporting each other, celebrating shared heritage, and working together towards common goals. This phrase is deeply rooted in historical contexts, especially relating to the fight against racial discrimination and for civil rights. Unity here signifies strength and collective effort. Black unity has its roots in historical struggles. From the civil rights movement in the United States to anti-apartheid movements in South Africa, this term has been a rallying cry for justice and equality. Figures like Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, and Rosa Parks symbolize this unity in their fight against racial oppression. Understanding this context is crucial for grasping the full meaning of the phrase. Today, Black unity continues to be relevant. It's seen in movements like Black Lives Matter and in efforts to address systemic racism. It's not just about protest. It's also about celebrating Black culture, achievements, and diversity. This modern interpretation of Black unity focuses on empowerment, awareness, and creating a more equitable society. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, Black unity. It's a powerful expression of solidarity, history, and hope. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the culture and history behind the words. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.